AI stopped at just answering questions. Now it's taking actions. Until recently, AI was reactive. You asked it, it answered. But an AI agent is different. An agent is an LLM that can use tools, make plans, and do things in the real world, not just generate text, actually act. Here's how it works. The agent runs a loop. Think about the task, plan the steps, act, use a tool, observe what happened, repeat. Those tools, web browsing, running code, reading files, calling APIs. It keeps going until the job is done. Imagine you tell an agent, book me a flight under $500. It doesn't just give you a list of websites. It goes to those websites. It compares prices. It finds the best option. And depending on what you give it access to, it books it. That's not a chatbot. That's an assistant that works. This is the biggest shift in AI right now. Every major company is building agents. And once you understand the loop, think, plan, act, observe, you'll see them everywhere. Follow for the next video. Drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab. Thanks for tuning in for the AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.